Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a trip down memory lane and whipping up a batch of classic Jello shots. Remember those wiggly, boozy treats from college parties and backyard barbecues? They're back, and this time, we're making them even more fun and festive. So grab your favorite Jello flavors, some shot glasses, and let's get jiggling. Ingredients: 1 box of flavored gelatin, 1 cup boiling water, 1/2 cup cold water, 1/2 cup alcohol, vodka, rum, tequila, or your choice. Optional: food coloring, sprinkles, gummy worms, or other garnishes. Instructions: prep your station. Gather all your ingredients and tools. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent spills and make cleanup easier. Boil the water. Bring the cup of water to a boil in a saucepan. Safety first. Remember to use heat-resistant cookware and handle hot liquids with caution. Dissolve the gelatin. Pour the boiling water into a mixing bowl and whisk in the gelatin powder until fully dissolved. Make sure there are no clumps. Chill it out. Stir in the cold water and then the alcohol of your choice. Give it a good whisk to combine everything. Get jiggy with it. Now comes the fun part. Pour the Jello mixture into your shot glasses, filling them about 3/4 of the way full. Leave some room for the Jello to set and for any garnishes you might want to add. Fridge time. Place the baking sheet with your Jello shots in the refrigerator and let them set for at least 2 hours, or until firm. Patience, grasshopper. Garnish and glam. Once your Jello shots are set, get creative. Add a sprinkle of your favorite candy, a drizzle of fruit syrup, or even a tiny gummy worm for a fun surprise. Tips and tricks. Flavor fusion, feeling adventurous? Try mixing different Jello flavors together to create your own unique concoctions. Think strawberry kiwi or watermelon lime. Boozy alternatives. Not a fan of vodka? No worries. You can use rum, tequila, or even flavored liqueurs in your Jello shots. Just remember to adjust the amount of alcohol depending on its strength. Gummy goodness. Want to take your Jello shots to the next level? Try soaking gummy worms or other candies in the alcohol before adding them to the mix. They'll be extra boozy and delicious. And there you have it, folks. A simple and delicious recipe for classic Jello shots with a twist. So gather your friends, whip up a batch, and get ready for some wiggly fun. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more boozy inspiration, and leave a comment below with your favorite Jello shot flavor combinations. Until next time, cheers!